I love this show.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to talk about my vest. Like almost 2 years ago I bought this denim jacket. At the time it had like sleeves and it was a lighter color. And I knew that I wanted to DIY it. I knew I wanted to like dye it black and put a bunch of patches and pins and stuff on it, but at the time I really couldn't come up with an idea of what I wanted to do with it. So it sat in my closet for like 2 years, and then I finally pulled it out a few weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, and finally decided to do something with it. I couldn't come up with a theme still, so I just decided to use like pins and patches that I have acquired over the years and kind of just turn into an amalgamation of things that I really like. So like some of the stuff I got in there is like My Hero Academia pin. I've got the Frankenstein Girls Will Seem Strangely Sexy pin from the Mindless Indulgence. I've got Cat's pin from when I saw that the most recent time. On the back I have painted Your Fear of Looking Stupid Will Hold You Back, which is something that is both kind of like edgy and cool, but something that is really true, and something that I kind of live by is like, I don't want to be scared of what people are going to think of me, and I don't want to hold myself back because I'm scared of what people will think of me, so I just do whatever I want. So I kind of combined a bunch of clips of putting this together. I have some of cutting off the sleeves, of dyeing it, and putting like some of the pins on. I didn't get painting the back. That I did off camera just because I couldn't figure out what I wanted to put on there for a while, so I held off on filming that. And a lot of the pins and patches, like these ones, I put on later, just because I've been getting them. And obviously I'm going to keep adding more and more on since there's a lot of space I have to fill. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. See you guys later.